So the changes what we are trying to bring in the existing process is that there is a spreader machine, and we are trying to bring two changes or modifications. One is that the feeding normally happens manually, but in place of manual feeding we are trying to introduce a robotic arm based feeding, which happens automatically, which in which the robotic arm picks up the moda, from the maybe from a bin or from a truck, and it places the modas to the feeder machine without any manual intervention. Everything happens automatically. So that's number one. Number two modification or amendment is that to make sure that the mass flow is uniform, we are trying to bring an autoleveler concept wherein there are sensors which senses the mass of the incoming moda, and there are two sets of rollers, the top and bottom roller, and there are two sets of those top and bottom roller. Now let's call it front and back set. So what happens when there is a more mass being sensed by the optical sensor? uh, it sends a signal to the servo motor, which drives the rollers, and the speed of the front set of rollers increases to attenuate or draft the fibrous flow, so that in certain cross section of the linear fibrous flow, there are same number of fibers, right? So the more mass at the back roller is adjusted by the increase in speed of the front rollers. The opposite thing happens when the optical sensor senses low mass at the feed, at the back rollers. So what happens, it's just the reverse. The speed of the front roller is being reduced to accommodate little more mass, and it compensates the number of fibers per cross section of the fibrous flow inside the machine. And that's how they adjust the the mass flow. So this is important. Why? Because the next stage is carding, and in carding, if you offer a uniform mass per unit length jute fibers, then it helps the coefficient of variation, or we call it CV, of the latter products, the in process inventories like slivers at different stages of carding and draw frame, and also the final yarn is improved. However, the autoleveler is also recommended to be used at carding and draw frame stages also. If not the all carding and draw frame, at least the second carding and fourth draw frame, there is a recommendation to use an autoleveler, just to make sure that the input material in the next set of machines, say for example the spinning machine, is uniform, so that the CV of the final yarn or the thread which is spun by the ring frame machine is maintained uniform.